Hello everyone. Welcome to Mire Asset Share Khan's weekly commodity forecast. I'm Anuj Choudhary, Research Analyst at Mire Asset Share Khan. And today we look at what happened last week and what it means for commodities in the week ahead. Macroeconomic headlines. What happened? Geopolitical risks rose after Venezuela's President Nicolas Maduro was ousted on January 3rd. The muted response from Russia and China added uncertainty around broader global conflicts. In China, the services sector slowed for the second straight month in December, with weaker export demand and employment declining for the fifth consecutive month. In the US, the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI slipped to 51.8, the weakest growth in 5 months, as orders and exports fell and business confidence weakened. What this means? These developments point to rising geopolitical uncertainty and slowing global growth, keeping commodities sensitive to data and policy signals. Market focus now shifts to key employment and activity data this week. Commodity focus. Gold. Gold saw sharp profit booking last week after hitting record highs, falling from 1,40,444 to 1,34,300 before short covering helped prices close at 1,35,761, down 2.94% week on week. Gold has breached the 9-day exponential moving average and momentum indicators have turned positive. Gold continues to maintain a positive medium-term bias supported by geopolitical risks and slowing economic data. Key levels to watch out are resistance at 1,40,465 and 1,43,820 with support at 1,34,300 and 1,32,250. Commodity focus. Crude oil. Crude oil declined from higher levels, closing 0.52% lower at 5,155. Prices are moving in a falling channel, trading below the 9-day and the 20-day EMA, while momentum indicators continue to weaken. Geopolitical developments in Venezuela highlighted its large oil reserves, though current production remains limited. Crude oil remains weak in the near term, with prices vulnerable during a seasonally soft demand period. Key levels include resistance at 5,255 and 5,315, while support lies at 5,005 and 4,850 levels. Weekly price change. Displayed on the screen now will be the weekly price change chart for your reference. We can see that bullion prices have fallen as CME hiked margins. Weekly event calendar. Why this week is important. Markets will track ISM Manufacturing PMI, Core PCE Price Index, ISM Services PMI, JOLTS job openings, non-farm payrolls report, and many more. Expect short-term volatility across bullion, energy, and base metals. That's your weekly commodity forecast from Mire Asset Share Khan. Stay alert to global cues and key data points, and we'll be back next week with another update.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.